So can you tell me your names and the name of your team?
I'm Colin Maury from the asthma team.
And I'm Lea Jacq-Frobert, also from the asthma team.
Okay, so I can hear by your accents that you're French. What brings you to Slovenia, to Zasavje?
We are studying in Ljubljana. We are Erasmus students in the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering. Both of us.
So what brought you to jamatlon?
That was organized by the faculty, and Lucy actually organized everything and took care of it, and it seemed really fun, so we're here.
Okay. So what did you expect before coming here?
We didn't know anything about it, so we just came for fun. We just saw a video just last night from the past years, and it seems fun, and it was really fun.
Yeah, so that was my next question. What was it like for you?
It was nice. Like I actually don't like the dark or the running, so yeah, I didn't expect it to be this fun, but it's in a cave and we never do that, and that was a nice experience.
Okay, so was it the first time each of you were in a mine, or?
In mine, yeah.
Yes.
In a cave, no, because we visited the Postojna cave.
Ah.
But this is not the same atmosphere.
Yeah, of course.
And no, this is really nice.
So were you scared of Perkman? Did he hit you hard, or?
No, it was really fun.
Oh.